Garlic butter sautéed broccoli. This easy, flavorful broccoli recipe is quick to make and perfect as a side dish for any meal. The combination of garlic and butter enhances the natural taste of the broccoli, making it absolutely delicious. You will need 2 cups fresh broccoli florets, 2 tablespoons butter or olive oil for a vegan option, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1/2 teaspoon salt adjusted to taste, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes optional for a spicy kick, 1 tablespoon lemon juice for extra freshness, and 1 tablespoon grated Parmesan cheese optional for a cheesy touch. Step 1. Blanch the broccoli. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add broccoli florets and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until bright green. Drain and immediately transfer to ice-cold water to stop cooking. Drain again. Step 2. Sauté the broccoli. Heat butter in a large pan over medium heat. Add garlic and sauté for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add broccoli, salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. Stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes until slightly crispy but tender. Step 3. Serve and enjoy. Drizzle with lemon juice for a fresh touch. Optionally, sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese for extra flavor. Serve hot as a side dish with grilled meats, pasta, or rice. Enjoy this simple, healthy, and delicious broccoli dish in minutes. Like, share, and subscribe for more healthy ideas. Thanks for watching.